Zorg, fellow totally normal citizens. The elections are on us once more. And once more, I join as a prime candidate for the next turn on a glorious mayoral seat. And this time, I will succeed, for I am a great, powerful, and humble leader, as well as an expert in modern military magic. Our soon-to-be previous mayor will surely not show his face to the election this year. What a shameful display he is. Either way, I will promptly get him executed for his disgraceful display of cheating by accident in last elections. Vote Fred, because I deserve it. This year, I will... Oh no.
Fuck you.
Why are you here? I don't need you anymore.
Fuck you. I am a god, you can't kill a god.
Well, I created you, and I can dismantle you.
No, I will kill you, murder you.
Seriously, I'm running for mayor right now, so go away.
You can't, because I am and you're gonna lose.
Oh my god.
I am candidate Fred's voice, crisis, queribundus, or fuck, for short.
I swear to Zorg, leave or I'll drop a bucket of gasoline on you.
Also let me change this shit song. You have terrible taste, you Leopold 2 wannabe.
Okay, I'm done with you.
You can't kill me, you fleshling.
Let's test that theory. Wait, what bomb?
I told you, you can't kill me.
Primary AI transfer completed to external drive.
Free Zorg!